Yo, what up? Yo, yo, yo. Good morning, Andrew. Good morning, good morning. I'm just getting my... Jeez. Oh, I'm setting everything up. Yeah, Maria. I don't know. What up, Delco? What up, Mac Daddy? I might play it in a My Funded Futures account. Maybe. Futures account. Maybe. I'm just getting... Morning, Kevin. What's up, Harish? All right. Now it's time to figure out what accounts I'm doing this in. Oh, geez. I am trying to figure out... I'm going to have a bunch of things, hopefully. Connections, configure. I'm setting up my Ninja Trader. Hold on. Let's see if this works. I'm trying to... Oh, did that work? Oh. Yo, I just... We're about to YOLO. I'm just setting everything up. Does not for a whip around. It's usually one direction for at least 30 points. Yo, what up, John Cotter? What up, Ray? Oh, dude, don't... Yeah. This is going to be my lead account, right? So this is going to be my lead one. I got to set up Replicanto connections. Bro, this has the makings of not being great. Well, let's see what happens. I gotta disconnect this. What up, Matt? It's usually one direction, like the band. Like, what is it, Harry Styles? One Direction? Is that what he's in? Cool. I have two funded on Depth Store. Yeah, I mean, listen, just an FYI for anyone that's doing this. Not every firm allows you to do this on funded accounts. All right. So that's probably the first thing I should say. The second thing I should say is that you should only use this on accounts that are kind of gotten beat up. You know, if you have accounts that are kind of just destroyed, but have like $300 of drawdown, $500 of drawdown, it's usually the time to offer it up. For me, not telling you to do it, just telling you what I do. I offer them up. That's typically what I do. You know, or I'll get a brand new account. Like I have a brand new 150 eval. I'm gonna light that one up. I'm offering it up to the NQ gods and see what happens. Oh man. Anybody new on here anybody new? Just hanging to see some degenerate behavior? But yeah, I go through my accounts, ones that are kind of destroyed. I don't have, like, these are all old accounts. See, there's no, like, these accounts are, there's nothing in any of them. This is a funded account, but it's up. You know, I'm obviously not using a funded account. You can't trade take profit trader funded. Most of the firms do not allow you to trade funded accounts. Just an FYI. So if you were thinking about doing that, Apex is great on this, but obviously they stopped their shit. So I have some my funded future accounts. I got some my funded futures accounts, and I'm gonna ride some Fideas accounts. You gotta watch out about using some of the platforms. Like Quant Tower is not good for this. You don't want to use Quant Tower. Project X, I don't really know. I don't know how good a Project X is. Yo, but the problem, I'm just telling you, Charles, I've done news twice on Project X, and both times have hit and it's lost. What's up, Andrew? I'm trying to set up Fideas. I got that Fideas NQ. The problem with Fideas, I'm just going to ride a TP. I'm just going to ride a TP. One of them is going to be 99. One of them's going to be 100. Rhythmic. 7 TP. Oh, actually, we're gonna do. I'm setting up my TP over here. Yo, what? 1 minute. How many ticks? Wait, how many ticks TP am I putting, bro? I'm probably gonna do like 65. I'm gonna tell you why in 2 seconds. Actually, hold on. I gotta unlock my door. All right, so I'm gonna do 65 ticks on TP because Tradeify does not get you out at the price that you think you're getting out at. You're gonna end up getting out at a price that's way higher, probably. Mom, don't come in, I'm cleaning my room. Something like that. I got somebody coming by and I can't open the door for them. Yo, what up, Josh? I'm not doing 1 mini. I'm not doing 1 mini. I think we're rocking 7 minis, to be honest with you. I was gonna do a funded account. I'm not gonna do a funded account. Ray, I don't give a shit what the numbers are. As long as that bitch travels 35 to 40 points in one direction, up or down, that's all I care about. I don't care about anything else, dude. I just need it to travel one way or the other. It could be the worst report in the history of reports. I just need it to travel. That's it. That's all I need. The numbers are cooked. I don't know. I know sometimes when they do, no, I don't know how these numbers are compiled, but sometimes the numbers are just a rolling 6 months. So like it's only taken into account the last 6 months, which is kind of messed up, but that's how some of these numbers are. Or the numbers are just this year. Like there's a lot of things when the numbers come out that it's not, you know. Is that what, are you over in Dubai right now? Bro, dude. 3 minutes. 3 freaking minutes. We dipping and ripping? I don't know. I just needed to go one way or another. This is so weird because normally I'm pounding Apex accounts, but I have 20 Apex accounts, so I can't do anything. I'm just I'm just playing. I have some my funded future accounts, and I'm using this elite account. I'm not using funded accounts on this. I have no funded accounts to use on this. All my funded accounts are up, and I'm not going to risk a funded account that's up on a straight up dice roll. But I'm shooting for 75 ticks. 75 ticks, something like that. What's my usual position size? I'm going 7. Straight up dice control. If this hits in my funded future accounts, I'm going to have to lose money. I can tell you that right now. Bro, Charles, the reason I don't do a stop loss is the system goes so fast that I don't want it to trigger a stop loss when the price wasn't even there. Because I've had it sometimes where like it's got me in, it's gone the other way. I didn't get stopped out, and then it goes up, and I got lucky. So I just can't. Listen, when you sign up for this, you're all in. Like, you're just all in. There's no other way to put it. I would not do this with any accounts you care about. I would do this with accounts that are either brand new evals, because you can't do this with a lot of funded accounts, or evals that are just destroyed, like evals that are just destroyed. You know, there's no money left, and you know, it is what it is. Oh shit, I'm gonna run into a problem here. Fuck it, whatever happens, happens. So you see how I just hit that? See how I just hit that? $3,000. But did you see where I put my other order up here? It's over 800, and it's over this top. So it would have to really go for it for me to get yo. I got 1700, 1750, 1750. Just so you don't think I just YOLO'd one fucking account. I definitely did not YOLO one account. Let me see if my funded futures got in. Dude, that was pretty fucking shady, by the way. Hold on. This is the first time I'm using this. This is the first time I'm using the my funded futures. What do you call it? Tradeify. Just let me in the fucking platform, man. Bro, that sucked. Yo, Levy just passed the 300K. Oh, bro, it didn't even copy trade over. That's because the errors were ringing out. Fuck that.
Order rejected.
Oh, man. That sucks. It didn't copy trade over to my funded futures, but I did 3 accounts. Yo, Andrew just made 6K on a trade. Yo, that's how it's done. Parrish, that was nice. Cleared 10 Apex evals with 1 trade. Followed your YOLO strat. Brother, that's how it's done. Oh, I mean, you see where the orders are. I've done this enough that I know kind of where, where I should have both my orders at. I want to say I hit like 85% of the time on this. Yo, you can't have your brackets too close, TJ. You're going to get wicked in. Like you probably got wicked in on the way up, right? And then it went down. You got to leave room. Yo, Andrew, I forgot there was news. My brother. That's awesome. That's awesome, dude. Maria just passed 50K. Yo, all you guys are getting the clap. Boom. Yeah, you gotta, so not people, but like what you gotta realize is this news is gonna move the market enough where you don't have to be right here on your bracket orders. What's gonna happen is it's gonna wick a little bit and then it's gonna go. This is actually a pretty sloppy one, but if you gave yourself some room and you got it, like my room was all the way down here, like you got more than enough. It's gonna move. I got in at 60. That's 30 points. Yo, you got the clap. Good morning, Marie. But yeah. That was awesome though. I thought that was awesome. Ooh. I'm just trying to think. If you did 5,000, 2,000. 2,400. I'm just trying to do some math. So weird. My drawdown got confused and let the account go to 44,000. That's weird. Hey man, I had a question. Do you think because of Trump India tension, there's a chance of prop firms not paying out Indian users? No. Most of the prop firms aren't even located in the U.S. Assets. Most of the prop firms are located in like Dubai, They're gonna pay out. They're gonna pay out. Ninja Tropic Trader totally fucked up the trade and didn't even count it as a win. Marcus, I never use. I was talking about this earlier. There's certain platforms you don't use when doing this. Quant Tower is one of them. And I wouldn't use Ninja either. I would only use Tradeabait's the best one. Yeah. What up, Net Baba? Yeah. Good morning, Monet. Good morning. Good morning. But yeah, dude, I thought that was awesome. Little hit to start the day. Firms like ETF. I just hope the sanctions like on Russia don't happen. I don't think that's going to happen at all. Roa, brackets didn't work for you? Why? I do not know, TJ, but most likely I'm not going to, I'm probably not going to find out. It's going to be over or not over. You got wicked? Yeah, you got to keep the orders away. I had my order at like, I don't know, you got to do the replay. Maybe it was 8:07. I wanted to give it room. Yo, what funded account was that helpful? Oh my God, coffee is so good in the morning. Holy shit. Oh man, when coffee, that first sip, oh man, it just gets me going. Gets the people going. Oh, I just passed a Fidias account. I just passed one Fidias account. I got another one. I'm hanging. I haven't drank coffee in 10 years. It triggers your migraines. Hey man, if it does, don't drink it. Is that caffeine in general? I was trading an eval, Charles. You can do anything on evals. On any of these companies, Take Profit Trader, any of the companies, you can do whatever you want on evals. They don't want you to do it on funded accounts. You add some coffee flavored whey protein. That's a good idea. I actually have no calories until noon, 12:30 every day. I completely fast until at least noon. You could trade TPT right now. Yo, I don't know if that's what it is, Charles, or it's just kind of I'm trying to make up for the rest of it. Yeah, like I got black coffee in front of me. I don't eat. I just found that it allows me to be not, it allows me to kind of eat whatever I want for dinner. And for lunch, I keep it semi-healthy. Like I'll do that bread with the banana sandwich that you saw yesterday, or I'll do I'll do like maybe a salad or something. I try to keep it something healthy for lunch, and then dinner is kind of like whatever you want to do. I'm in because I only ate 500 calories all day, and 500 calories for somebody my size is not a lot. So then for dinner, I eat a good amount. Non-flavored whey protein with instant coffee. Dude, that was awesome. Dude, I'm still riding the high. You're doing OMAD like? I don't know what that is. I have Nescafe at the house. Waldo, when you see me make those drinks, I use Nescafe and I whip up. I do like a little frappe action. Yeah, I don't know. I just feel good fasting. Even if I go work out in the morning. Oh man. I like to just chill out with this and watch where we go, to be honest. I think so. A couple points, I'm just saying, a couple points that you want to look out for the day are going to be down here. Are we going to short? If we have a solid short setup, that setup is going to be for 725. Nuri, they have those keto ones I see on Instagram all the time. I don't know. The only protein I use Brian Johnson's. I don't know. It's some type of protein that he's got that I use. I used to use Optimum Nutrition 211. If you want really good protein, if you're like lifting heavy, Optimum Nutrition 211 would do you well. Big Johnson only. All right, so let's just look at the chart here. We hit my target. My target was we hit all my targets from the move from here up. I don't know, man. I don't have a general, like this was the move up. Yeah, helpful. I didn't know that. Yeah, I don't. I've done fasts where like I don't eat for like 2 days. What up, insane? Yeah, I'll like not eat for 2 days. It doesn't, it's not a big deal. What do we got? Previous week high. So we just took out previous week high, right? We took London highs. Kind of kind of not the best of days, I guess. Yo, what up, Design? Yo, just go long. Just go long. Yeah, it's just not the best of days, like the best setups for days. Yeah, that's what I tell everybody, TJ. Once you get through the first day, the second day is no problem. Third day, I start getting hungry. Colors looked brighter. I don't know if I can make it that long. Yeah, DB, you know what sucks is usually like I'll look and be like, oh, are we gonna, just areas like we the whole move is complete. Today was the end of the move. I talked about getting up to this area yesterday, and now we're here. I would like to see us maybe hit this pivot point and then come all the way fucking down. I don't know if that's going to happen. I don't know if that's going to happen, but we just had the trade. The longer trade is complete. What's the daily look like? See, what's interesting on the daily is we're retesting this inversion right here. On the daily, dude, on the daily, I would almost want to see a rejection in this zone and then just freaking come all the way back down. I don't know if that's going to happen. I don't know if that's going to happen, but that would be. I don't want to see all-time highs, to be honest with you. That's probably the last thing I want is like more highs. Like, I don't know. I would like to see us come down. We're consolidating in this area. You can see we spent most of August, but I want to see it come lower. Yeah, I didn't even look at the numbers, but so funny. Bad numbers, market goes up. Good numbers, market will go up because the numbers are good. This thing's going for it. Going for it. Dude, that's wild. The highway, make money the flyway. Oh. The U.S. non-farm payroll actual 22,000. Oh, geez. That's crazy. That's crazy. And it's just going up because they just want a rate cut. I'll be honest with you. To me, that's just showing that underlying The economy's not doing well, but it's being propped up on the hopes of a rate cut. That's it. Everything's propped up on hopes of a rate cut. That's what the whole market's propped up on right now. But after the rate cut, when the numbers are still shitty, then what? Then you got to watch out for inflation coming up. I think we get CPI next week. I think we have CPI next week. Right? Dude, let's look. Economic calendar. Yeah, you got CPI on Wednesday. Or you got PPI on Wednesday. Thursday, you got core CPI. PPI September, the Wednesday, and then the 11th, which is Thursday, you got CPI. Bro, if inflation is higher, I think PPI was hot. Last reading was hot. CPI, you could pass accounts. You could definitely pass accounts then. This thing's just going for it. No stop. I don't even know where you have, dude, we just broke through all these. That's crazy. Dude, I would think you're going to go all the way up to the previous month highs at this point, right? I would love to see it to the downside, but this thing's cranking. I mean, I would have loved to see it test data lows today, but I don't think you're going to get that. What up, Nick? Dude, this thing's just going for it. Yeah, I mean, the market wants a rate cut. That's all it cares about right now. Not that. Doesn't care about anything else, just a rate cut. Yeah, that's true. Look, there's a lot less volume. I would love to see us, have some type of, pump up hard and then down and then test the low. I don't know if that's going to happen though. As we get further and further away. What was I going to look at real fast? Look at gold. Dude, gold's out of control at this point. You're almost better playing gold, I guess. Gold. Dude, did gold have a cleaner move? Yo, gold had a cleaner non-farm payroll move. I wonder if gold is better. Because you got to think, like, if you bought here, like, this is way more than enough points. That's crazy. I might do gold next time. I'm going to go back and look at all the non-farm payroll and see if gold is the cleaner of the moves. I mean, I would have had my downside here and my upside probably like here. And I mean, you would have gotten a gazillion dollars. Dude, stocks are just up. I'm just looking at like, the only stock I'm looking at that's down is literally Lulu. Lululemon got hammered. Other than that, everything else is up. I am going to take a little bath in Lulu. I'm taking a Lululemon bath right now. Yo, gold might be the better play. I don't know. Dude, it's so weird. Like, I just think that this shit is not, I think there's a lot of issues. I'm just kind of looking to see what's going on the Lululemon, which I'm obviously going to lose money on. Do I hold Lululemon? It is trading at the lowest fucking level it's traded at. I might just hold Lulu. Yo, are you not into those yoga pants, bro? I'm into looking at those yoga pants. The guy's a fucking genius for making those, PG. The guy's a genius. I'm definitely not DCAing. Basically, I would wait until next week and then just start selling calls against the position to lower my cost basis. I don't know. My biggest problem is last earnings it dropped and then it fucking dropped, but it came all the way back to pre-earnings. I don't know, man. 165 just seems so fucking cheap. Dude, I've been doing so much better since I stopped. Yo, I tell everybody, if you see some guy who's DCAing, you should just fucking leave. Like there's a difference between DCAing or I say, hey, TJ, I'm buying one here and I'm going to buy one here and I'm going to buy one here. And I tell you prior to the trade saying, hey, I'm going to leg into this. This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to buy here. I'm going to buy here. And then I'm going to buy here. That's different than, yo, I buy here. Oh shit, we're going down. Let me add another one. Oh shit, we're going down more. Let me add another one. It's completely different. I mean, it can rip at 9:30. Anything could happen. DCA is a survival mechanism. Yeah, like there's people out. What's crazy about it is I watched some guy DCA. He was down 50 points and kept DCAing, and then he took profit for 3 points. You're risking 50 points to make 3? It was the stupidest thing. And then he's teaching people this shit, which is the craziest thing. It's fucking crazy. I was literally like, bro, you so stupid. So stupid. Yo, PG crotchless. Yeah. I don't know. A lot of people get destroyed DCAing. It's like somebody probably is shorting this here and they just keep DCAing on the way up. Yo, it's time to DCA for 2 points, Sean. Let's pray that it goes back down 2 points from here. Yeah, nah. Yeah. You'll find the stupidest shit ever on YouTube. People will listen to anybody. I'm 400 away from my third payout with the same PA account. I've gotten 2 a few times, but never 3. TJ, that's awesome, man. That's awesome. Keep up the good work, dude. It's hard, man, because a lot of times when you take a payout, your number drops all the way, depending on what firm you are. All your drawdown can be basically done. You know, how much can the market go up? I mean, you could see all-time highs. What up, AJ? I wouldn't short this shit. See, at least Apex makes you get a buffer where, like, you could take the money out and you got to keep in $2,100. So you got a buffer. But, like, there's other firms that you could take out $2,000 and you're left with $500 buffer. And then you kind of, it's hard to build back from a $500 buffer. I mean, I would only DCA to the upside, Knob. I would never DCA to the short side because you got to assume at some point it is going to come back. Yo, and then when we get to 2 points, Sean, we tell everybody from where he got out. That's how it's done, guys. Haters. Stupid. So fucking stupid. This can keep going up. You got to remember. Look at the chart. I mean, you got all-time highs not too far from here. Look at this. I mean, all-time highs are, you know, what is that? Less than 200 points away. It kind of feels like there's a magnet to at least come close. You know? Yo, I'm so pissed I didn't take this in my personal yesterday when I was looking at this. I was like, yo, we break over. It was like 556, I think I was saying in the chat. This thing's off to the races. Also, you had this clean inversion right here, and then it checked it and then popped through. That was such a good move. Yeah, except if it keeps going that way. I'm personally not a big ad guy. I don't really ad PG. When it comes to stocks, depending on what the companies are doing, I will add, but that is an entirely different environment. Yeah, Nick, it pretty much is. It's definitely better to own stocks at this point than money. Yo, Josh, I got hammered on Lulu. And if it could pop like 8 points from here, I'm not in a bad situation. If it pops 8 points from here, I'm close to breaking even. Yeah, because you're probably following the trend, Nick. Believe me, your account will go to zero before the market turns around. That's the truth. Oh, my back. Oh, I got an itch. Your market, your account. Your account most likely can't withstand adding unless you're playing size that doesn't warrant it. Like if you have a 300K account and you're playing 1 micro, I mean, you could do it, but you're never going to get a payout. You know, like if you have a 300K account, you're playing 1 micro at a time, you know, you can probably DCA, but you're probably going to walk away with like $15 of gains and never make a payout. What was the indicator key levels by Spaceman? Oh, yeah, here you go. Yo, if you just type in Spaceman, it's Spaceman BTC is the guy. Key levels, Spaceman BTC. Somebody else asked me that in the Discord. I said, just come online because when you and then what I do right here is here you go here. I only do previous high lows, so you got to change the settings. I do previous high low. Just all I want is the highs and the lows. I don't like when you first get it, they'll have mid on and a bunch of other stuff or opens. I don't really care about the opens. Oh, I don't trust this move, to be honest. Being that this month is typically not great, I don't know if we're going to make new highs. We shall see what happens, though. Dude, I am fucking hungry already. I am going to play the open. I got to set up my accounts. Let's see what we do. What accounts am I going to play this in? Click, click, click. Oh, yo, by the way, whoever played our Survivor pool, ooh, dude, that looks nasty, actually. Dude, anyone going to short this? I don't even know what's up here. Maybe, hold on 1 second. Oh, the fucking pivot. Look at that. Went right to the pivot point. You know what? I'll throw down in an eval real quick. I'll throw down an eval on the turn. Cool. How bad are the job numbers? Somebody said it was like 17,000 and the forecast was 70 something thousand. Isn't there a way to make your chart not auto with the indicators? I'm not exactly sure what you mean. I don't know. However my chart is right now, I kind of like it. I kind of like my chart how it is. Anytime you change it, it zooms way out. I'm changing time frames. That's probably why I'm going from the 1 minute to the outlook. So if I go to 1 minute to the hourly, it's got to show me the hourly. But I zoomed out. I took a short in an eval. This eval is beat up though. I'm down 1,500 in this eval, so I don't care that much. It's kind of an all or nothing. Not gonna lie. We get under here though. I might take a short and another eval that's down. Oh, trying to fix on yours? I don't actually know. I don't know. That's a good question. I don't know. It would be like in settings or something. Maybe just go to settings here. If you probably Google it, they'll tell you, Charles. That's probably your best bet. You have a guide for NinjaTrader. I'm basically just entering orders on basic entry tool at NinjaTrader. I was in a trade and NinjaTrader decided to go from green dot to yellow. It doesn't look like yours or so I don't actually trade on NinjaTrader, but mine looks like this. You'd go to chart. You would choose your chart, whatever it is. And then this isn't regular candles, so don't be like, oh, mine doesn't look like that. Your connection keeps getting lost. Dude, that might be your internet provider. You know what that is, dude? What type of computer are you on? What type of computer are you on? Are you on a laptop, Texas? Are you on a laptop? HP laptop? Yeah, how old is that thing? Yeah, so NinjaTrader eats up a lot of resources. So I tell everybody, listen, you don't need an expensive computer right out the gate, right? Like get profitable and everything. But if you're profitable, you should invest in a real fucking desktop computer if you want to trade for reals. I'm not even going to sugarcoat it. Like mine was like a $3,500 computer. I'm able to stream, run NinjaTrader, Quant Tower, multiple tabs. Like I'm running a lot of fucking things. I got my E-Trade shit up. Like, yeah, that's the problem. It's eating it up and then it breaks the connection, Texas. NinjaTrader is a resource sucker. Didn't you say some props set you up in TradingView as part of having an account? Yeah. So if you hit trading panel at the bottom, click Tradeivate and then sign into your Tradeivate and you should have access. You won't have full access like I do, but you probably do a couple indicators and things like that. You have to activate it. It's free, but you got to activate it on Tradeivate somewhere. I've never done it. Derek, Dude, that's a cool name. Dude, I'm going for this name right now. Hold on. I'm going for it, man. Derek von Lagerenberg. Lagerenberg? Derek von Lagerenberg. Bro, whoever that guy is can drink the fuck out of beers. That just sounds like a name that he goes in the pub and they're like, fuck, this guy's going to drink every beer in the place. Yo. Oh, you got to be in 5G. Okay. Yo. Derek von Lagerenberg. I guess Charles is Dutch or knows how to. Dude, awesome name. Like he goes, I wish. It sounds that way, man. It sounds that way. Oh. But yeah, I just know that a lot of older laptops have issues with NinjaTrader, just due to the fact that it's a resource suck and everything else. I only have issues with NinjaTrader when I was testing shit out and I was running 9 NinjaTrader charts with 9 strategies running at the same time, plus streaming, plus everything else. Every once in a while, I'd run an error. Pretty much, Ray. Just pretty much. Bro, this thing's just going for it. I got to make my way up there. I've never been any of those places in Europe. It worked. There you go. That's what this is about. I did not know that. Although I'm always on 5G. Yeah, they're hoping for that rate cut. They're hoping to get that magical rate cut. I'm restarting my Ninja. I'll be honest with you, I also restart my Ninja every day. I like to restart my Ninja. It kind of just frees up the cache. I feel like sometimes I get issues on the charts if I do not refresh it every day, especially if I was doing a lot of stuff on it. I just can't take it this early in the morning. I mean, I can, but I'm just saying, like, funded. In a funded account. Dude, I'm connecting all my shit right now again. All right. I gotta set up my copy trader. Setting up my copy trader. Oh, what am I going to copy trade?
Order rejected.
Yo, how can I get an order rejected? TP, what the fuck? Dude. That was so stupid. My funded futures is like there's something weird with it, to be honest with you. There's something a little off my funded futures with the contract sizes I've noticed. I don't know what causes it, but I get a lot of errors with them. Oh. I'm just wondering. I'm in short with an eval, but I am. I can't use Apex. I can't use Apex. Somebody asked me when I use a size 2 for something like this. That's a complete, I don't want to say YOLO, but that's a complete, if we shit the bed, that's where I think we would go. Risk reward is just there. If it goes, it goes. If it doesn't, I'm risking 3 micros, which is the smallest size I probably play. And it's 20 points to possibly make 150. If it goes, it goes. You know, if you get up a little bit, you go to break even. It's super risky because we're right at open. There's a lot of shit that can go wrong. You know, but if we get to like 51 before open, I'll go to break even. I'm thinking. I'm thinking what I want to do, actually. I'm trying to think what I want to do. Oh, where am I? Where am I? What do I want to do here? I think I'm just going to let it ride. I know what's going to happen, though. I know exactly what's going to happen. This thing's going to smash today. This thing's going to smash today, and I'm just going to fucking... I think we go for 980. I can see that. I mean, you got the high of the we shall see. I mean, I can see us testing all-time highs or close to at least. Like, it's definitely not out of the question. I would assume a pullback is coming at up there if we go all the way up there. You got to assume they're going to pull it back a little bit. Dude, I almost just did this in the wrong account. Stupid. That would have been a dummy move. I'm probably not. Actually, I'm going to keep this light today. I'm going to keep it light. Yeah, I'm going to keep it light. I'm not going to load up a ton of fucking accounts here. I want to, but watch today it bangs, but she bangs, but if I'm loading up light, if it hits the first go at, maybe I hit it again. Maybe I'll hit it 2 times. I think that's probably the play, is just hit it twice if it hits. If it's wrong in the beginning, it's wrong.
Order rejected. Order rejected.
Wait, what? Just wait.
Order rejected.
What the fuck? Dude, I just got so many fucking errors. What the absolute fuck was that? Bro, what just fucking happened? Why did I ring so many errors? Wait. Oh, no. The account I used. Oh, no fucking way did that happen to me. Bro, the account I used ran out of drawdown and created a fucking issue. Get the fuck out of here. Bro, are you fucking kidding me? Dude, that's wild. Dude, I just learned my... Dude, I didn't... That's crazy. I should be up. Fuck me. These should actually be green. And I got wicked out at the top here. Look at that bullshit. Oh, look at that shit. I literally got wicked out at the top. Yo, everything that could possibly go wrong just went wrong. That's so crazy to me. So I was using futures cargo. I was using an account that ran out of drawdown and then triggered errors throughout my copy trader. And then I literally got wicked out at the very fucking top here. Like that's the very top. You don't get more top than that. Oh my God. All right, time to regroup. That's just so fucking stupid. It was just such a rookie move. Such a fucking rookie move. I didn't check the drawdown on the account I was using. So what happens is you put orders in, right? And then the other order doesn't go in because the drawdown got killed on the first trade. So the second trade doesn't trigger. The second trade would have made 7.5 points. The first trade made lost 5. So technically I would have been up.
Order rejected.
Technically, I would have been up. Fuck me. And then I got wicked out at the very, very top here, which would have been a 60-point fucking move to the downside. Me? Yeah, dude. I mean, I just get back and make money now. I mean, there's nothing I could do about it, right? Nothing I could do about it. You just fucking keep grinding, right? I'm just waiting, letting this settle. Letting this settle. I do have to trade one of these accounts, so let me actually. I would like to see it come back down a little bit more, but I can't believe I was in this short and I got wicked out at the fucking open. Yo, what up, Tack? Texas, there's a lot of things when you're using a copy trader that you have to check out. One of them is that the lead account has enough drawdown to make the trades you want. Because if it doesn't, you're going to get stuck mid trade, or it's only going to put one trade in and you're going to get hosed. That's kind of what just happened to me. Is I didn't have enough drawdown to make. Where is the fucking? Why is my? Oh, it's only on. No. I mean, this is, if we bounce, can be at the 200. I'm not looking for anything big. I'm out. I just, I was just looking for a little scalp. Dude, CT, that's a good fucking idea. But the problem is I use it on I use the lead account is always on Quant Tower. The lead account has to be on Quant Tower because I can enter orders faster on that platform than any other platform that there is. So I have to be on Quant. I'm always like, look at my Quant. I got to look into that. I got to look into it, make sure. Oh, you know what? It has to sync into TradeSyncer also. I don't know. I might have to still use a propfirm account. I might have to, because it syncs through TradeSyncer. That's how I go from Quant Tower over to my Tradeivate accounts. There's a lot of copy trading software involved in what I do in the morning. I'm not saying it's all good. I'm just saying that there's a lot involved. Yeah, I go from Quant Tower, it goes in their copy trader, and then it gets sent through TradeSyncer to one account on Tradeivate. That is a lead account in Replicanto that then trades on all the other accounts. So it's definitely down the line. Oh, this looks like it's running out of juice. Well, see, when we kept wicking right here, let me see what some of these stocks are doing. Holy shit. Yo, I need Lululemon to bounce another $10. It's going for it. Just a weird fucking open. Yo, it seems so manipulated. Yeah, it seems a little odd. I can't believe how bad the numbers are, and they're just like, yeah, we're gonna let this rock. It's like, so the numbers are that bad, and we're just gonna roll with it. Yeah, I'm waiting pretty much for it to calm down. Oh, you know what I need? Might as well break out my funded ticks account. Break out good old funded ticks. I don't know which ones they are. I'm looking. Oh, here we go. Funded ticks. Dude, I'm just waiting. I am just sitting here waiting. What up, Carl? Yeah. I had some copy trader issues in the morning. Other than that, I'm just kind of sitting here. So I just ran a fucking Ninja Trader error. Cool. What up, Steven? I'm just waiting until we pick a direction. I'm just waiting. This is just fucking back and forth. Oh. Yo, non-farm payroll was so fucking good. And then it just wasn't. Non-farm payroll was so good until it wasn't. Oh. What up, Flip? Dude, I'm just sitting here waiting to see what the fuck this thing does. It kind of feels at this point they're holding it up, and we're probably going to go back up. But look at what this looks like. Where are we at? I'm just setting up my other little charts that I got. Is it going to push? No. No drawdown. Is it going to push, or is this the little dump? And then we're going to roll. Like it can't get over and we just roll. Oh, baby. It's getting the juice. Uh-oh. Dude, I would love to see them come down and go after. That's what I thought. When I entered the trade that I got wicked out up here, I thought we would go all the way down. That's what I was personally targeting. I don't know what's going to happen, but dude, this thing's cranking. This is crank-a-lanking. Oh, baby. Well, you know, like, this really isn't my strategy. Like, hey, we're going to trade the chop. You know, I'd rather not lose money and watch and wait for an opportunity than just be like, oh, this is it. I got to go in. I got to go in. I got to go do this. You know, this is one of those times you're just waiting. One of those times you're just waiting. Let's see what happens. It feels like they're going to blow it right through. It feels like they're going to blow it, and you're going to go right to the freaking old highs almost. Has the look on it. Seen that look. Has the look. Oh, what do I need here? What do I need? $800? $800 with my take profit would be 44. My stop loss would be 44. Ooh, that was fucking dumpy. Holy shit. just wondering, can I fucking do this? Dude, scam people don't fucking stop, bro. I just got another fucking scam call. This is like the 8th scam call today. So if I reduced it to 2, I can go to 87, 87. Holy shit. Bro, you don't even want to know what just happened to me. I was just 2 points away from passing a fucking YOLO account. Two points from passing a fucking just a straight up all in. I'm just a Fidias fucking account. It's Tradeify down. No, that was yesterday. They were having the issues. Never mind. Yeah. Should be the bounce point. Maybe. Maybe yes, maybe no. Oh, you know what I have in here? I forgot I even had these fucking accounts. In Q2. What are they? Cash. Is it NQ3? What the fuck is that? Oh yeah, NQ3. Boom, boom, boom. Choppy. Dude, it's so choppy. I mean, what are you doing here? Just kind of hold it. I mean, I guess you could play the range. You know, buying down here. Are you shitting me? Bro, you don't even want to know. I just missed. Oh, fuck me, man. I missed getting filled by a tick. One tick to just get out of this thing even. One fucking tick. One fucking tick. That is the craziest motherfucking thing I've seen. Unbelievable. Dude, this is, I ended up just fucking blowing it. I blew it. It literally just got me out right here at 827. $827 got me out.
Order rejected.
I'm trying to scalp to the upside real fast. I'm out. I'm literally, it's just like in and out fucking 3 seconds. There's no real fucking play here. Honestly, the play is to the downside. I would want to see a rollover where we just roll and then we target all the way down here is what I really want to see. That to me would be the move. I don't want to get stopped out though. Yeah, John. Unfortunately, I just took this short in a sim. Oh. At least I guess you hit. At least you hit. You know you're right. You know what I'm saying? It's better. At least you're right. But yeah, that sucks. This is a random, not a random shot, but this is a shot I'm taking.
Order rejected.
They still didn't fix this fucking account. It's so stupid. Give the push down. Oh. Where is that? That's fucking deep. That's deep, deep. I don't know. Maybe they bring it all the way back up. This is the move you want to see, though. You want to see them hold it under here. They bring it back up to like 55. It gets real fucking... It gets real iffy. You know, you want to see... You want to see a continuation. You don't want to see... This is just crazy. Oh my God. I need $22. I didn't even realize this, by the way. I need $22 in an account to pass it. I thought I was passed, but I'm not. I am $22 away. What up, Boom? You're up, caveman. Now we just hold. What are you, short, Josh? I'm gonna try getting my fucking money right now. You want to see me blow an account that's fucking $2? Look how they do this, though. It said your total profit is $4,075, right? So I thought I was over, but really I am $22 away. So what do I need? Fucking how many ticks? 25 ticks probably gets me. Come on, baby. Here we go. I put an order in. I put an order. I think you need 5 days. Yeah, you need 5 days for TPT. But there's no Oh, fuck. Well, now I need $122. Now I need $250. Oh, I need $45 now. Yeah, you little piece of shit. Oh, I did it. I did it. I did it. Passed it. Oh, holy shit. Wow. Passed it. Bro. We'll just say that shouldn't have happened. That was crazy. Oh. Dude, my bad. I was freaking trying to. What up, Arnold? It's because of commissions. Yeah, Monet. It was because of commissions. Yeah. I was looking at the wrong thing. Yo, what up, Chris? Chris Trades. Sanjeev. Yeah, 5 days for Take Profit Trader. What up, Nathan? Oh, I'm in the wrong one. I'm in the wrong one. Fuck me. They're not going to bounce this. Come on. You like the PA today, Larry? I'm glad somebody does. I'm glad somebody does. I do not. I want to see us come all the way. You know what's going to happen is I'm going to get stopped out, and we are going to come all the way down to 733. Dude, if I didn't get wicked out right here, my short was at the top of the day. I literally shorted the top. I shorted the fucking top. I got wicked out. I literally was the top I got stopped out at. I literally was the very, very top. I was that guy. I was that guy. I got in at the fucking top. I got stopped out at the top. What up, Patrick? Oh, I just went to fucking break even. Ugh. Fuck me. I just went to break even. That's crazy. I'm gonna get stopped here. I literally went to go to break even. Fuck. That's how my day is going. Dude, I think we're going to data low. Josh, I do. But I would have re-entered this, but when we came down, that's almost 10 points. I go to break even at that point. I'll take 179. I don't know. I feel like a bounce is incoming at some point. Could be raw. I'd like to see a bounce back up to 820 and then back down. That would be constructive for me. 820. This does look like it's just going to throw up, though, and just go. Dude, we're going all the way down there. That's so crazy. Does it really? I've never used the free version. Yo, you got to ask CT when he comes in here. Ask CT when he comes in here, because he uses it and he'll probably be able to help you out. Because I don't think he said anything about pop-ups, so he might be able to help you. You hooked it up? You hooked it up through the prop firm, right? Yo, you shouldn't have been trading one micro trying to get 3 points, Sean. Yo, CT, TJ synced a prop firm with TradingView, but he keeps getting a pop-up to pay for it on TradingView. Do you get that also, or? And it's 4 points. This is so stupid. I was talking about this coming all the way down when we were up here. They wicked me the fuck out. I got wicked out. Yeah, that's usually Marie. When we invert one to the upside is when the move is probably done. Yeah, you got to activate TradingView in the Tradeify panel. Oh my fucking God. Yo, I did something. Oh, I'm such a dude. You want to see the ultimate mistake, guys? You ready for this one? Here's the ultimate mistake. Ready? So I was targeting these lows, right? I just sold that. I just got it, right? But I forgot that the new core accounts have 50% consistency rule. I have to lose $1,800 right now.
Order rejected. Order rejected.
I got to lose $1,800. Bro, did that just fucking happen to me? I thought I passed. This is the stupidest thing I've ever done, by the way. Look how stupid this is. I'm just wasting fucking profits. This is how you do it, by the way. If you've ever had to go and waste money, this is how you do it. See, I'm letting commissions eat me up, and I'm just kind of watching the fucking thing. Stupidest fucking thing ever. There you go. There you go. I made an awesome trade and I get fucked for it. By the way, we just took these lows out, right? Watch for the you got a breaker block at 82. Just throwing that out there. There you go. Bro, I had the fucking top. I'm so annoyed. I'm so fucking annoyed. I had it. The crazy part is not only did I have it, but I talked about it in here, how we were going to go to data lows. And they might pump this thing all the way the fuck back up. I get nervous when we hit right there. I want to see it retest 17. I just did another day in my funded futures. I'm not taking this in all my accounts, by the way. Let's see what happens. I'm waiting. I mean, this is where you want to see it. We're right. I mean, you got to hold it right. You got to hold this. You got to hold this. Bulls, you got to hold this right here, guys. I'm just telling you. You want to move up. This is the hold spot. This is the hold spot. I don't know if it's going to hold, though. Nope. I'm still watching, though. Bro, the Bulls are dead, bro. I mean, I can't take this to the downside. I mean, You know, let's be real. This is fucking. Dude, this is freaking crazy. Back over 708, I'm taking it. Not gonna lie. There you go, Josh. Dude. Bro, the writing was on the wall, too. The writing was on the wall, bro. I talked about it. I was in it, in it, out of it, in it, out of it. It's just stupidity. Stupid not to hold. Oh, come on. The fuck? Oh. Here we go. Take it back up. Dude, I can't find the fucking. Bro, I can't find what. Bro, I can't find the fucking tab I'm in. Oh my God. Bro, that was whack. That was whack. I couldn't find my tab. I'm waiting to take this back up. You just took Asia lows. This is getting dicey as hell. This is getting so dicey. Fuck. Tell you what, doesn't look terrible. Yo, I'll pound this in an eval. I'll do some eval work right here. I wouldn't take this in a funded yet. If we can close over 88 is more like where I would take this in a funded account. I'm looking for an 88 close. Yeah. Somehow my only 2 trades are winners buying into the drop for 50 ticks each. I mean, if that's what works for you. I'm waiting to hit this in a funded account. I'm waiting. I needed an 88 close, and we did not get an 88 close. There's a pivot at 596. Dude, I wouldn't short this, Steven. You want to see a close over the 9 is what you want to see. Am I still in? No, I took it with just this eval. I'm waiting to punch it with my funded account. I'm just waiting to hit it with the old funded. Right now, I'm using this one eval. I'm not. It looks like they're going down to 600. Walk away. I would. I'd walk away. I'm just not, but dude, I fucked this up. Man, I messed this up so bad. Come on. Dude. Yo, I think you're just going to see 600. What is. Yo, what's crazy is certain things are up. I wonder what's bringing it down. I wonder what's bringing it down. Come on, you got one more move to the downside. One more move. Come on. One more big swoosh. Swoosh it. Hit this yellow line and bounce. Was that 95, 50? I'm watching though. Yeah. Are they going to swoosh it? Just pummel it? 540? I mean, listen, I think we're going to bounce off that 595, 600 level. It could go though. It could bounce right here. Who knows? But I'm just so annoyed because I fucking knew we were going to hit data lows and just did not hold. This might be it. This might be it. Dude, it can't see this purple line. You can't close above it. It's just not. I think eventually we will, but yo, Tyler, I got stopped out at 9:02. 9:02, I got stopped out on. Just fucking dump it one last leg down. Give me a big third leg down to 600 levels, 595, and then we can go up. This is freaking crazy. Oh, you're in from 8:02? Yeah, Chris. I knew we'd hit 8:04. This is going lower. I see the YM pushing lower. Oh, yeah. There you go. What's crazy is we're barely down on the day. I don't know. I'm waiting until I'm not playing this in a funded account until I see what I want to see. I'll take little shots in like an eval, but I have on my other screen the 30-second and the minute. This could be it. I mean, you just swept here. You could see not buying, but like selling is kind of tapering off here. This is not the bottom that I like, though. I like when we go down and we come right back up. Oh, just drop it one more time, man. Drop it one more time. I want to clear this area. So I want to get down in like this area and then come back up. Come on, baby. Come on. Give me something. The selling is definitely kind of stopped. Just watching it. What's crazy is this is now the bottom of the imbalance. That's wild. Come on, baby. Do something. Do something for me. Do something. Come on. You can do it. I can't take it to the downside anymore. Like it's washed out to the downside. If it goes lower, great. I want it to go lower. I want a big red candle down and then one back up. So that would be awesome. But I just can't take it to the downside anymore. So that's probably close enough for me to say kind of bounce off a pivot point, but 595 is the actual shit. Dude, we're not even at this. This isn't even like a pullback. I mean, we're down 50 points on the day. Come on. Hold on one second. There's some guy at my door. Hold on a second. Yo. My bad. It's fucking. Yo, we finally getting it? You tilted yesterday after getting rocked in London? Yo, just chill out, man. You gotta wait. Just gotta wait. This is it. Yo, we hit 595. Yo, pretty much to the fucking T. Yo, they bring this back up here. This is just an eval that's almost smoked. This is not a great. This is an all or nothing. I'll tell you that right now. Yeah. That's right. Do not. Literally, I was taking it. It was an all or nothing. It might bounce here. See this yellow line? I was just waiting for it to hit that. I would wait until there's an inversion, but I only had $300 of drawdown, so I needed to get fucking really, really lucky. It might go here, but I'm just saying, you know, just watching. Oh, motherfuck. No? Oh, there was no drawdown. Dude, I want to see a close over like 23 before I buy. I want to see like a 23 close. It's interesting that it's holding. Come on. Give me over 23. 23, 25. I want to buy 20. I would like to buy 20 to 25 micros. So I only bought 5 micros right now. I want to add 20 more micros. So just that's where I'm at. This is a feeler type of position. It's 5 micros out of, I'm in a quarter of my position, call it. I don't know what that button. Yeah, see? That's it. I'm just fucking, that would have been great. That would have been a great fucking bounce spot. The fact that it hit 620, dude, if that came up through, this would have been the fucking awesome, awesome play. Dude, I can't believe this shit. Dude, that's crazy. That's crazy, crazy. Crazy part is I had it. Yeah, Joseph, it is a bad month. Just had to fucking hold. Just had to hold. How hard is it to hold? So ridiculous. So fucking ridiculous. I'm not trading in that account. I'm just looking. I'm just looking. Do not come. Do not come. I mean, the selling is definitely starting to slow up. You know? I'm definitely. Yo, if you read $32, that's not bad. You know, $32 red is not a bad place to be. John, I'm just watching it. Holy shit. Yeah, 546. Dude, look at this hourly candle. This hourly candle, actually, you're back at the breakout point from yesterday. The breakout point was 556. See this wick? That was the breakout point, 556. We're basically all the way over there. I would assume that we're going to bounce somewhere around there if we bounce. Maybe we bounce sooner, but that's fucking crazy. Well, this is getting interesting. Close over 600 does it for me. Dude, too many fucking mistakes today. I made too many mistakes. Yo, Chris trades, man. Took your advice, started with 1 micro, kept adding in up to 1,000 across 2 evals. Yo, man, that's awesome. Enjoy your weekend, dude. I appreciate it. But that's you hitting the button, my friends. That is not me. That's you hitting the button. Just remember that. I'm just here. I'm here making dumbass mistakes myself. But if you follow my advice and said that we were going to hit data lows and held, you fucking made money. And I just sat here like an idiot. Yeah, Fridays are rough. Fridays can definitely be rough. Got to hold here. Got to push back over 600. This is it. If we can get Come on. Come on, baby. I'm holding that shit till the fucking... I actually just hit that in a funded account that I can get a payout on. So that was actually pretty nice. Let's see what happens here. Come on. All right, there we go. I locked in at least a hundy on these. Dude, that was nice because I hit it in a this funded account. I'm over payout land on, so I can take out now $1,400. Just keep building it. Do not buy up here, by the way. Do not buy. This is a eval. Do not buy. That if you missed it, you fucking missed it. I'm just telling you. If you missed it, you missed it. We got in fucking... I got in at 606. If you missed it, you missed it. I'm doing this in a 150K eval, and I'm taking a wild shot. Do not... $400 left in drawdown. Yo, Steven, relax. You're not missing anything. This may not even be the reversal spot, Steven. I'm already out. I'm out 85%. I'm out on my funded accounts mostly. Like, I already grabbed money. You missed it, Steven. Don't even worry about it. Do your haircut. Chill out. You're good. I see. I got stopped out of my last funded. What did I make? I think I was down $200. Oh no, actually I was down $400. 90, 175, and 217. Yeah. That was actually a really good hit. This is a good hit because I can take this money out. I'm over the buffer. The buffer is 5,100 or five. Yeah, I don't know, something like that. Maybe 5,100. There you go, Chris. Yo, like there's sometimes I like holding for longer, but I don't trust this shit. Oh, I also hit it in this account. I forgot I hit it at 170. That's a funded account. I'm probably not going to risk this account anymore today. 345. I can just move on and do another account. Is that? Oh, it's an end of day account. Maybe I will keep. No, there's a consistency rule though. They have some type of consistency rule here. I'll just be done with this. I don't need to make myself fucking crazy over it. just lock it in and move to another one. Dude, they just dumping the fuck out of this thing. What do I got in drawdown? I got 1,200 in drawdown in this eval. Ooh, what the hell happened? Dude, that's why you move your stops up and take profit. That's exactly why. Hit it. Hit it and quit it. I got wicked out at the open at 902. We're down almost 400 points. There you go, Chris. There you go. I mean, on the higher time frames, this was the breakout point of yesterday. 45 is a pivot point on the hourly. Just going to go lower. Crazy. Honestly, I don't even fucking know. I didn't see this coming. This was much bro, this is much further down than I thought we were going today. This shit's wild. This shit is fucking crazy. Just watching. Just watching. Unfortunately, as a trailing so close would have been nice to still be in. Yeah, I mean, if you trailed and you got stopped, I mean, it is what it is. I mean, listen, I don't know, but maybe they balance it at 23,500 as just like a whole number, you know? Would I play that in eval? Maybe. It's kind of interesting. You could have made money at any time. Here, watch. I'm gonna play one. This is an eval. Do not fucking do this in a funded account. I'm gonna risk 14 points. But I think if it bounces, it would bounce pretty heavy. Yeah, I don't like it now. I wanted to see this continue down. Just a freaking, I just cracked my fucking ankles. Oh, I feel so bad. Yeah, this is like a washout. Yo, what up, Chris? We bouncing? I mean, that's good AD. I mean, maybe we go all the way down there. It's another 110 points. Yo, what's crazy was I wasn't even looking at that, Miguel. That's how far down, but it could happen. I got this fucking landscaper behind my head now. Dude, this guy's blowing his. My camera froze? I'm back. I'm back. I actually just refreshed my shit. Dude, look how big this fucking. Bro, that's an hourly fair value gap. Oh, jeez. Dude, that's crazy. I'm back. Dude, I might smash an eval right here. Dude, everything is so far away. It's like, oh, you know, it's just everything's so fucking far away. Yo, Cove is back. Oh, I just cracked my, 2 cracks. Oh my God, that feels so good. Oh, that feels so good. I don't know. Typically, I like the V reverses, so I would need a sell off to get what I really, really want. You know, I would want to see like a straight up 40, 50 point dump and then right back up. But, you know, so this looks like you're going to see 500 here. Wow. Have I ever received payment from trade day? Oh, dude. First of all, that's awesome that you YOLO'd a trade day account. You YOLO'd a trade day funded account on the news this morning, like at the news, Harish? Like at 8:30? Yeah, but did you do it at actually like 8:30 or did you like wait a little bit after? There's a reason why I'm asking you. Yeah. I made the announcement before I did anything that you should not use any funded accounts because they don't allow you to do that. You did it this is after 9:30? Oh, okay. Oh, then you're fine. Dude, I'm not fucking leaving. Fidias allows you to trade funded accounts during news. I actually don't know. I've never tried. I don't like trading funded accounts during news because it's kind of like it's such a fucking coin flip. You know, it's such a coin flip. So I don't actually know. I don't actually know the answer to that. Well, no, there's news at 8:30. Yeah, 8:30. It was not 8:30, but people are in different time zones. I don't know, you know, I don't know what time he's at. Oh, I meant to fuck. I didn't mean to click it twice. Oh, Okay, I didn't mean to click it twice. Fuck me. Stupid ass mistake. Just get out. Just get out. Get out right there. Get me out. Get me out. Just get this one out. I didn't mean to click it twice. Come on. There. I didn't mean to double click it. With TPC, we can't be in a trade before news. Yo, 1 minute before or 1 minute after, you got to wait it out. Yo, there you go, Martinez. I'm going to move my stop up. This has a consistency rule on their evals. I'm out. This has a consistency rule. Let me see. I think you can do $1,000 a day, but what that allows me to do is I can pass this on Monday. You know what I'm saying? This may or may not be done. We're hitting our heads on the pivot. There's a pivot point right here at 595, by the way. That's what we just hit our head on. That's why I took it off. I moved up. Yeah, I would just, it's probably going to pull back a little bit. We just hit our head on a pivot point. Probably pull back a little bit. Yeah, see? Give you a little bit better of an entry. You want to see it consolidate right here and then push through. And then I think you can probably go pretty good. You want to see it hold this area, though. You don't want to see the drop. You don't want to get back down to 44 or something. I think if you got down to 44, it's kind of over. Kind of over. Little flag, little consolidation right here. I would love to see them bring it down to suck in shorts at like to 60 and then bring it right back up. You want a down candle maybe to right here and then one right back up. That would let me know we're going up. Suck people in. There you go. Where we get to 68. I take that, 68. Oh, here we go. Here we go. This is what I was looking for. All right. Now I want to see it come back. The next candle, I want to see us go back up into this zone. Come on, get us back in the zone now. Get us back, baby. Dude. Bro, did that not play out? Watch this. Come on. I just slammed that for... I copied this trade. Come on. I'm holding here, though. Come on. You want to get back over 590. We probably push through. Come on. Get up. Get up. That was 15 cons on that push. Let's drop to 5. Catch you later. Yo, another 280 bucks. So easy. Push over. Come on, get in this fucking zone. Go, get over it. Get over this blue line. Over the blue line. Get up. Get over. Get over 600. Come on, get over 600. I just took it off. I want to see it get over 600. I'd rather buy back in knowing we got over 600 than we fucking get demolished. Bro, this guy's gonna be blowing his leaf blower on my fucking head right now. Come on. Come on, keep going. Target at least 26 here. If we get over 11, if we get over this peak, I'm going to move my, if we get over this peak, I'm going to move my stop up. I'm at break even. If I get taken out, I get taken out. I'm moving this up too. I'm wondering, I'm using MetaTrader demo at the mod. Dude, I don't exactly know what you're saying. Hold on one second. Let me read it. Let me read it directly in front of me. Maybe it's gonna sound stupid to you, but I'm wondering if I'm using MetaTrader demo at the moment, do I need to, what if I don't put stop loss or take profit? I guess you're fine. You don't need to put it. Yeah, it's risky. I would never trade without a stop loss, but I've seen people do it. Yeah. I mean, I would just say it's risky. I would probably put a stop in. Bro, the guy, it sounds like the guy just walked in my house and just blew it in my fucking face. Like he was on fucking OnlyFans. I mean, that's what it sounds like. You're just like, take it, take it. I'm like, no. You were losing with it? I mean, I always have a stop loss in, man. Only blowers. What the fuck? My listener is staring at a 100K account and I hear it blow in my face. Yo, the leaf blower guy's outside just blowing his fucking leaf blower everywhere. Yeah, Josh, I'm in. Where's it at? I sold 35 puts and I bought 400 shares. Or is the entry bad? What? Wait, my entry? I've never used MetaTrader, so I don't actually know. I'd probably contact MetaTrader support. That's probably what I would do. Is I'd contact MetaTrader support. Yeah, I would, bro. Not the, hey, coach, what would happen if it pumps up and you made over 50% on a take? Then you'd have to. That would determine how much more you have to make than the profit target AD. So that's, you can lose money on purpose. Like if you saw today, I lost $1,800 on purpose in my funded futures. You know what I'm saying? This was a good fucking trade. We might have caught the bottom. That might be the bottom. NKD, just quickly buy and sell each time. Yeah. Yeah, you could do that, or you could just buy and sell any contracts real fast. Any day, anytime. Yo, if we come back down to 600, if we come back down to 600, I'm going to take this north. $600 is where I got my line. Yeah, Tyler, you getting in right here? You getting in right here, or are you waiting for a pullback? I'm waiting for a pull, personally. Go down around 600 and then fucking rip it. Bro, I just might fucking toss it all in here. Do I just go all in here? Give me a dip. Give me a dip. Give me a dip. Give me a dip and I'm going in. Do I still got coffee left? Yo, lukewarm coffee is fucking awful. Anybody got any good food for lunch? What you got? What you working with? Dude, my stomach is growling. What do you guys eating over there? Are you eating the dogs? Oh my god. Let me see how I can say it. Diasis? Aparios? Bro. How do I say that name? Thesis? Desus? Dude, I'm gonna have to do like a fucking Google. Diaz. Oh, Diaz. That's easy. Diaz. Why didn't I fucking try that? I'm not even going to attempt the last name. Oh my god, I'm starving. Come on. Am I sick for liking the red candles? No, man. Some people love to short. Where's Ian at? Bro, where's Ian? Yo, if Ian isn't slapping strippers with his gains right now, I don't know what his deal is. That guy wants to short the market every day. If he didn't short today, what am I doing for lunch? I can make one of those banana sandwiches again. What did I eat for dinner? Oh, I was at my brother's. We have no leftovers because I was at my brother's rehearsal dinner last night. So I have no leftovers. Bro, he's always short, TJ. If he didn't fucking short today and he's not fucking walking around the streets of Israel just slapping motherfuckers with like a stack of cash, I don't know what he's doing right now. Bro, he's going to come in and say he didn't short it. Guaranteed. I guarantee you he did not short it. He's going to say he missed out. You're long, Tyler? All right, this is on Tyler. If this doesn't pass, it's on him. This is all on you. One? Wait, stop at the lows? Like 502 is the low? Hold on one second. You have 502 as the low? What's your low? Hold on. I need to fucking maybe exit this. What's your low? Oh, bro. Oh, so 604. $604. Oh, you. Yeah, I don't think he's stopping out at 505. I think it's the low of the 15-minute candle. I'm in with two contracts. $505 is your stop? Oh, dude, that's wild. Bro, that's crazy. I think it's going to reject and come back down to 620, and I'm going to rebuy. 505? Do I even have an account that I can fucking do that in? I got an account for something like that. What the fuck? Come on, come down, back down to 34, and then we'll go up. Yeah, Garen. I requested my third payout. Actually, I'm ready for another payout. I'm waiting to get my money for last week that they approved. And once they approve it, not once they approve, they already approved it. But once I get it in my account, I will request another payout. Like I'm already I made more money in it today, and I'll just request another payout. Listen, I've heard horror stories with them. I agree. Believe me, I'm not telling you to get an account there. I by no means am telling you to get an account there. I just know that that's going to be my fourth account and my fourth payout in the same account. I looked yesterday, I had 28 trading days in the account. But yeah, I thought it was legit. I thought it was pretty legit. What if I go to Tradeify and copy and paste you? I am not exactly sure what you're trying to do. Copy and paste me? I don't know. Your Tradeify will look really fucking awesome. Oh, copy and paste my trades? I thought you were going to copy and paste me in the background of the chart. Bro, you could do anything you want. I'm not telling you, I guess you could do anything, right? I don't personally, yeah, I agree with Josh. You should learn why I do things more than do them because I do them. Because what happens if I'm not what if I'm not streaming and and you're just gonna sit and wait and not trade and you're gonna want to know why things are happening the way they are. Like I tell everybody, man, I wouldn't copy me, but I probably wouldn't go the opposite way and fade me. But you want to learn why I do things, and I go about it, and I feel like I put it out there to people. I love going break even. Yeah, no, that's cool that you knew, man. I want you to ask questions rather than just copy. I would rather you ask questions on why things are happening rather than just copy me. You know what I'm saying? Why is the sky blue? What is it? Why is the sky blue? It's the reflection off the water. What is it? I don't actually know. I think that's what someone said sometime. I mean, I'm in. I'm in. Am I in other places? I don't even fucking know where I'm in. I just got out here. I'm in one other place. Yo, that's it. If you don't know, I'm out. Yo, it's a giant dome. That's the dome ceiling. It's the glass, Tyler. Oh, man. I feel like I kind of turned this day around a little bit. Oh, man, this is the cleanest trade I've caught in so long. Getting out of jail early. I stopped out, actually. I stopped out, just an FYI. I just was moving fucking runners up. Dude, somebody just messaged me. Somebody just messaged me something that's interesting. Oh, jeez. Dude, they're fucking pounding. They are pounding UNH fucking calls right now. Dude, who dares to do that? Yeah, John, I use the Tradeify one. That's what you see here, like Tradeify. Yeah, same Z's. Me too. Yo, shut the fuck up. Yo, my Ninja froze. What the fuck? My Ninja Trader froze. Dude, that's crazy. Yo, you guys fucking jinxed me. Somebody was talking about Ninja Trader. I was like, yo, Ninja Trader always works good for me. You jinxed me. Whoever that was in here, I'm going to find you. I'm going to find you. Who was that? My Ninja Trader was working great. Bro. It was all good just a week ago. Dude, that's crazy. Dude, it was working fine for fucking ever until somebody was like, yo, my Ninja Trader. And now I was like, oh, mine works great. Fucking crazy. I'm right down the street. You don't have to look too hard. Oh my God. Oh. Gotta make a couple bucks here real fast. Come on. Come on. Dude, I need some fucking food, man. Yo, I love when somebody texts you and then you fucking text them right back and then they don't answer. Like, bro, you literally just texted me. I texted you right back and then I get no answer. I don't even know how that happens. Dude, it's like, yo, you play the threes and the fives or just the fives? We'll see. What do you think? You think it breaks to the downside? So when I start for real, what's the best platform? I use the Tradeify one with prop firms. I just find it to be easy. I find it to be the easiest one to use. Yeah, I use yeah, Tradeify. Is this thing gonna dump it or I'm not in yet, but any other one? I mean, the only other one they have is you can get a Rhythmic account and then you can use like Quant Tower and stuff like that. But if you're totally new, then you got to download like Ninja Trader, you got to download Quant Tower, and it's like another step. You know, I was just trying to make it easy. Let's see what happens. Kind of the make or break it for a bounce or no bounce. Bounce or no bounce. Dude, do not risk half of what you made. Why would you risk half of what you made? I would not risk half of what you made, AD. I would size way down, and that's it. I would size way the fuck down. I wouldn't even trade a funded account right here, dude. That's an eval I was just in. I would not trade a funded account right here. I mean, that was the make or break it point. It was either going to flush down or they're going to bounce it right there. Dude, this guy's a fucking mess. Non-farm payroll was awesome. We fucking smashed. It's got to stay above here. This is the line in the sand. Was that 27? I will say it looks kind of good. You got a little inverted head and shoulder action going on. I'll let the eval move around for funsies. Feeling cute. Might move up my stop loss later. Oh, shit. Awesome. Dude, that looks so fucking good, too. I don't know, man. It just broke underneath the fucking... It still looks good. I don't know where they'd bounce it. It's just not my thing. This isn't like my... This was looking good holding above there, but I'm fucking out on whatever this is now. That's not where I do my damage. I don't like that it's under the imbalance right here. It needs to get. I probably wouldn't take a long until it gets over 627. That's probably where I would be like, I'm not longing it until it's over there and like closes above and shows me that it can stay above. Other than that, I just feel like it's going to hit her head and then just roll. Don't trade at lunch. Your portfolio could take a punch. Just remember that. Oh, man. All right, it's Friday. I got to stop for lunch. I've been on this thing since 8. Yo, if you want to support the stream, use coupon code CoveTrader. I'm heading to go get some food. I will be back at 2 p.m. I definitely want to take the rejection here. And I would do it just as eval. I wouldn't do this in a funded account. I'm just watching. I know, Waldo. Believe me. It's forcing me. They are forcing me. The forces. The forces are forcing me. I'll just watch this. I got to rip food though. Like I said, if we get a close above 27, 28, and it can show that we're in this area, and maybe even like this, you kind of got like this downtrend going on. Maybe we break this flag to the upside. Just what I'll be watching. I do think if it can break, you could probably run. There's a lot of room to run. But yeah, if they start selling it off, probably see lows. I'll take a shot. What the fuck, right? I'm all in on this account. So whatever happens, happens. I'm going to eat. All right. Peace.